life of ours here. Well done everyone. If you're new, let's get better. I need to start like, do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna rehearse and write down an intro I'm gonna say for every video because I can't keep stopping and starting my intro. Basically, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome, stick around, subscribe. If you're a return subscriber, what's cracking? What's going on? Yes. Today, I'm doing my foundation routine. I'd say fairly highly requested. Most of people see me in real life, they always tell me to film my foundation routine, which is funny because I'm not like a makeup expert, but you guys stay asking for makeup videos, so I mean, thank you, I guess. I've already done my eyebrows, obviously. I already washed my face and all that. I have a full skincare routine if you're interested, check that out, because the key to good makeup is a good base. So, we're gonna start with my primer. I'm using the Fenty Pro Filt'r primer. Absolute fave. I'm running out of I've got to use a stick to put on my face, but I try and put this in the areas where I feel like I get oily, which is mainly my T-zone. So I don't really put it all over my face. I don't feel like I need it all over my face because the rest of my face is really dry. So, you know. So before applying foundation, I'm just going to set my primer. So I'm taking my Collection 3000 pressed powder in the shade number 3. I'm just going to press that on to where I've applied my primer, and that's just to set your primer in place. Now for foundation, so I've tried to keep this very drugstore because on a normal everyday basis I do kind of use mainly drugstore stuff because they rock. So I'm using the Revlon Colorstay foundation in Caramel and Cappuccino. I mix these two together because not one of these, one's too dark, one's too light, and there's no in-between shade that I'm aware of, so I have to use both of them. So yeah, it's a great foundation though. Super great foundation. It likes proper good. If you've got oily skin, I recommend this foundation. I'm gonna use a beauty blender to apply and blend. Get that double chin, girl. Get that double chin. Yes, gotta do that. Get right under there. Don't be shy now. Come on. Get the double chin. I know all of us, not all of us, but a lot of us have it. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, make sure the beauty blender's damp as well. I forgot to add that in there. You want a damp beauty blender. You want a damp beauty blender. Alright, not like a dry one. I feel like, what is the point of using a beauty blender when it's damp? When it's, let me stop talking. When it's dry, I mean. It just doesn't do anything, in my opinion. And it makes my makeup hot. Like when I've used a beauty blender when it's dry, it makes my makeup look hella patchy as well, man. That's foundation done. Let's move on to concealer. So for concealer today, I'm using my fave, which is the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. The only thing I don't like about this concealer is that there's basically nothing in here. Like, it runs out so quickly. I'm using the okay then. I'm using the shade C12, and I'm just gonna apply that and then blend it all out. Okay. You want to make sure when you blend your concealer, you blend it towards the sides of your nose and then blend it down your nose, because that way it gives you like the nose. Cause I don't contour in it. I don't really contour because I can't be asked half the time. I think for me, I just don't need to. I don't see the point in it for me personally. Even though my face is actually quite chubby, I just can't be asked. So yeah, it gives you the nose contour effect anyway. Obviously, if you actually contour the nose, it's even more like snatch. But I can't be asked. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not a bad makeup person. I guess so. So now I'm going to set my under eye with my Collection 3000 powder again, and just, I don't bake. We don't bake on this channel. I used to bake once a month, someone tried to catch me out. We don't bake anymore, okay? We moved on from that. Just press the powder. I feel like on my skin, because my skin's not that oily, like I'm only oily around my nose really, baking is unnecessary. So we just push the powder into our skin and it just creates a smoother under eye for me. Some bee just tried to fly into my bathroom. Thank God the window's closed. I'm gonna set the rest of my face using my Revlon Nearly Naked powder in the shade Deep. There's Deep, y'all. I'm just gonna press that in as well. Guys, my face is actually quite hairy right now. I'm in need of a wax, but yeah, I have a really hairy face. I grow hair like here. I have a moustache as well, and I get it waxed off. Just keeping it real. I get my face waxed because I'm hairy. I know Barry can probably relate as well. It's just cool. I'm hairy too. I don't think it's just such a cash loss though. Always waxing off it. Anyways. Next, we're moving on to lashes, and I'm using these lashes from Bro Cosmetics. I love these lashes. Owner is such a sweetheart. I met her at an event, and I bought these from her. Such a sweetheart, such a babe, like such a lovely girl. And her business and her branding is something that I 100% would stand behind. So I bought some lashes from her. It wasn't a scent, it wasn't no, I bought these because I really wanted to support. And she's just banging lashes. She sells like individual lashes, so like not individuals, but like strip lashes, like separate packs, and then packs like these where you get loads. If you're a makeup artist, I recommend you get packs like these. I love these. These are the Nova lashes, I believe. They're new. I don't know if she's released them yet, but they're coming out soon, or they've already come out recently. I'm wearing these today. Yeah. Okay, first let's put mascara on for the lashes, and then I don't know if I'll put my lashes on camera though, because it takes me a while. Like, it's just a lot of fiddle to edit out applying lashes. I'm using the Great Lash mascara by Maybelline, by the way. Best mascara ever. Not the best ever, but I really enjoy this mascara. It just does the job, and it's cheap and cheerful. You know, that's what you like in life, you know, cheap, cheerful, do the job. So for highlight, I'm going to use the Inglot Sparkling Dust Face Eyes and Body Powder. I can't remember what shade this is in. 03, I think it is. And I'm going to apply it using my Zoeva Luxe Highlight 105 brush. This is these are better than fan brushes. Don't use this and you'll see what I mean. So, let's set everything together. Oh, I've got two fed. Let's set everything together. I'm going to use the Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. This stuff is amazing. Just to set my face. Okay, let's move on to lip gloss. So I'm going to show you guys my ever so legendary lip gloss combo. So, line my lips with my Rimmel brow pencil. I don't like using like a normal brown lip liner. It just feels like I don't know, it just doesn't do the job like this brow pencil does. Lining my lips with my brow pencil. Use the Kiko 3D Hydro Gloss Lip Gloss in the shade 19. It's like the best lip gloss ever. I love this stuff. I love Kiko in general because they always have like deals and stuff going on. See that? I love this lip gloss. I love it. If you want to add some je ne sais quoi, you can add a little bit of. Oh, there's hairs on it. Oh, that's not gross. You can add a little bit of NYX Peanut Brittle, the buttergloss. Just a little bit. Bam. Yes. Oh yeah. That's done. I'm done. Wow, I'm done. I'm done. Let me sort out my hair. And whilst I sort out my hair, let me talk about my hair. So, this hair is obviously my fave. You guessed it. Supernova hair. This is Supernova hair. This is the deep wave. So I've done the curly hair before. This is their deep wave curl pattern, which I think I like better than curly hair. They sent me 4 bundles of 24 inches and the 20-inch frontal. But I got my hair done. So this unit was made by Patience at Hair Virtue. She's a star. She kind of broke my frontal virginity, kind of. I've done a frontal before, but she properly broke my frontal virginity. Just water and conditioner in here, by the way, guys. And she ended up using, I think, 2 3/4 of a bundle. And look how full the hair looks, please. Supernova, please. The hair is so full. It looks so full. You wouldn't even guess that we haven't even got that many bundles in here like that. But yeah, yeah, she used 2 3/4 bundles, and it just looks amazing. The way she constructed it was good because it meant that like she made it really dense at the bottom in terms of sewing the tracks on. That way it doesn't look airy and thin when I wet the hair and when I have it. Girl, she knows what she was doing. So that's Hair Virtue that did my hair, did my frontal for me. I have all her details in the description box. And so far this hair, I haven't done anything to it. It's like, normally with curly hair I dye it jet black, but this hair is just beautiful the way it is. Shipping wise, it came really quickly because I think I put in a request for this hair on a Thursday or Friday, and it came on a Tuesday, so I was really impressed. One thing me and Patience noticed when she was doing my hair is that like the hair is really soft. Like the first thing she said when I walked through her door was literally like, you sent me some good hair, this is soft hair. So it's just been a dream to work with. Like she enjoyed the hair, and she said also the frontal, she liked working with the frontal because the frontal with the lace is quite thin, so it means I didn't need to tint the lace, I just put foundation under it because the lace isn't like thick lace. So that's some good information, handy information. So yeah, like I said, Life of Ours, the discount code. If you order this hair and you enjoy it or you don't enjoy it, let me know. Give me your feedback, I do appreciate it. So yeah, but I really like this. I wish I got this done sooner because it would have been a perfect summer unit, but I was lacking in it. But yeah, I've just put this up in a little ponytail at the top. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the side of the top. But yeah, this is great. So now I'm ready because I need to go somewhere after this. So I'm ready. This is fantastic. Thanks for stopping by on my channel. I hope you really did enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoyed my foundation routine. Special shout out again to Bro Cosmetics and Hair Virtue for slaying. So Bro Cosmetics on the lashes and then Hair Virtue for the frontal. Special shout out to them. You know, I like to see my fellow sis streaming in, so you know. Yeah, and yeah, if you want to see more, I haven't done makeup videos in a while. I kind of don't do them anymore because I'm not really into them like that. But if you want more from me, let me know and I'll try to put out more out there. So yeah, that's it from me, guys. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.